Hey guys, so today we're going to be castrating our bulls that we don't want. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, comment down below, and share with everyone you know. And also, if you could donate to the channel, that would be great. The link is down in the description. Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, today we're castrating bulls. We have 8 of them here, and it's either some of them could probably make breeding stock, but personally I don't like their moms, or there's something about their breeding that we don't care for, so we're gonna go ahead and steer them. And then some of them, there's I think 2 of them in here, their moms actually come up open this year, so that's just a sign of not being fertile, so we don't want to carry those genetic lines on into the next generation. So we're going to go ahead and castrate these 8. This is one of the few vaccinations that we use here on the farm. We use tetanus toxoid. It's just kind of like you as a person. If you get cut with a rusty piece of metal, or if you get injured in some way, the first thing that they're going to do is give you a tetanus shot whenever you get to the hospital. And we do the same thing whenever we're castrating our steers. We'll give them 1 cc underneath the hide in the neck. We're BQA certified, so all the shots have to be from the shoulder frontwards. We don't want any shots in the back part of that animal, so we have the chance of harming the meat quality. We use the Callicrate bander with surgical. We're not very organized here today. We lost our tetanus toxoid vaccination. We couldn't find our banders, and then our tag cutter knife wasn't where it was supposed to be, so we had to go find it. But we did split and cut the animals that we needed relatively quickly, and we have them all caught up relatively quickly, so that's going in our favor. And anyhow, we pull our bands back, and then we take our, after it's tight and we've crimped our metal sleeve so it won't loosen back up, we just take this knife and go like that, and it cuts those both off, and we're good to go. Okay, now the fun part comes. Walker, he's awful nervous here today because last time we did this he got kicked.
No, I have a goal to achieve of not getting kicked.
Okay, well that's your goal today.
Yeah, and there's several in here that I wasn't very confident in not getting kicked by.
Okay. One of the great things with this set of banders is we can band bulls as big as you can find them. I would be confident if you could find me a 3,000 pound bull, we could band them with this. So, okay, we ready to go, Walker?
Yeah.
We need 8 of these, is that correct?
We have 8 here, yeah.
Take 10.
Yeah, good idea.
You always drop one. Right under the feet.
Always.
Okay, can somebody...
I'll come in and hold the banders. I don't have a job.
Okay.
You want to hold the syringes too?
They'll be done out here.
Huh?
That'll be done out here.
Okay.
Alright.
I need it in there too.
No! No! Scout!
No, that'll do. That'll do. No.
Scout!
That'll do.
Don't put your...
All right, you remember what you're doing, bud?
Just grab your tail and push it and pull it up about,
Take the tail.
about there.
Get up here, Em. No, don't get in front of me here.
About
You
there.
take the tail and you hold it up nice and tight.
About there.
You don't want to break their tail or anything. You want to hold that tail up. That'll have them hold still while I put the band on.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you make sure you have both testicles, because that is a very big common problem with these banders, is People banding bulls get a bad reputation for the guys that are doing it right. Make sure you have both testicles. And just tighten it up. Okay, I'm bringing your camera up here. Shine it right there on that screw. Take that screw back to, oh, there. It's back. Oh my, there, it's tight, it's touching. Crimp it. And take your tool. Not get the mask in your pocket. Oh, do that. He's castrated. Or it normally isn't. They don't fight us that bad, and you'll see here with the rest of them. It's just we took a super long time getting that band on there. Well, we're off, bud. We're not done yet. We got.
You know what? That one, I just don't want to stand behind that one because he tried to kick us. Remember?
You're really worried about getting kicked, aren't you?
It hurt the last time. You got kicked twice, did you not?
That's how we want it on the testicles. Tighten it up. Get it down here on the screw end. You quit breathing. Just like that. So there we only got one testicle. We always need to count to 2. We got the other testicle. Tighten down. Here we got both testicles. Crimp it.
Get both things. Cut both of them.
We got them both.
Oh. Okay. Am helping me and not letting this guy move?
Alright, so we got the boss here watching. He just wants to come in here and get them for us, huh, buddy? But he'll get kicked, and we don't want that, do we, man? Okay, so he's our boss. He just thinks he can do everything, don't ya? He herds the sheep and these guys for us. He's our best dog. The other ones are in training right now. They will get really good, like him. He's 4 years old now. I started training him really, really young. That's probably how he got so good. The rest I'm still working on training them up and getting them there.
There we go. Get in underneath him back. Pull the camera back if he goes to spin on it.
Okay, now you can.
Okay, that's the last one. We just need to vaccinate them now, so.
Yeah, that didn't actually take that long.
Nope. Let me see here. 17 minutes. And that's with filming and starting the video out front there. It's about 15 minutes to do 8 bulls.
Yeah.
Now we got to give them the tetanus vaccination.
Yeah.
You get 1 milliliter or 1 cc. This here's the concentrated. I couldn't get the stuff that we usually use, so this is what we're using today. Hook them in the mouth, put a little pressure on them, and stick the needle in just like that. Just like that.
This is the easy part.
You got these. Now we'll let the one out on the side.
This one and this
middle one out.
Middle one.
middle one.
Yeah, that one.
Come on.
Okay guys, to the right way hooking a gate up with a chain on it is, I see a lot of folks, we just wrap the chain around and hook it on there, and if it gets bumped, it can come unhooked really easily. So you take it through the hole. If your gate has that hole there, these are pre-fert gates, but a lot of gates have that hole, and then you hook it in there. That way it's less likely to come undone.
I'll open this back up for you.
Okay, now we got to get them, there we go. We got to get them to stand on that. Up. Stand still. He weighs 640 pounds. Whenever that light starts blinking red, that means it's good. That steer weighs 640 pounds. His mom weighs about 1050. Come on. Come on. 640.
In you go. There you go. There we go. That was easy.
Back up. He weighs 462 pounds, 63 pounds, sorry. 463 pounds. Now, his mom is a larger frame cow. She's pushing 1,200, 1,250. So that goes to show. And his mom's going out of the herd, and that's why he got steered. So, just the only reason this guy here got steered is because he has a white face on him. His mama's 13.5% Hereford, and then the rest is Angus. So you got it, bud.
Yep.
They're all right. All right. I wanted to show you something here on the scales. I ended up fixing these scales yesterday because of the stupid calves. They chewed my wires off, chewed sections out of it, so I had to redo them yesterday. So we don't go through the same lesson as we did before, because calves, they like to chew on everything. We'll just tie that back so they can't reach it. Okay, let's go. Okay, now they say this is pretty well painless for these animals. It's not, there's not a lot of pain involved. So that's one of the reasons I like to use the banders on these guys. You can see these two here were just done, and they're button heads playing. So, you know, they're not in any pain at all. And that boy there's done. I mean, I really, really like the banders. I know a lot of folks, they cut them. They cut the bottom third of the scrotum off and then pull the testicle out and then they'll cut the testicles off and let them go back up in. But they do lose some of them. So, come on, buddy. Don't walk away, Walker. We're going to finish this. Go.
Okay, so there was us banding, tetanusing, and weighing our bulls.
They're not bulls now.
No,
What are they now?
they're steers.
They call them steers.
But before we go, please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, comment down below, share with everyone know, and if you would please donate to the channel. There's a link down in the description. All right, bye guys.
See you later.